If you're one of the millions struggling with sleep, you understand just how frustrating it can be to feel exhausted before the day even begins. We often try various solutions, but many sleep aids leave us feeling groggy and unfocused the next day. But what if the secret to falling asleep faster isn't a pill, but rather a delicious smoothie? In this video, I will show you the key ingredients that make this drink so effective, explain the science behind its sleep benefits, and provide you with a delicious recipe so you can make it yourself. Forget the nightly struggle, let's discover how to blend your way to better sleep. The ingredients. The two sleep-inducing stars of this smoothie are bananas and almonds. This combination is not only delicious, but it's also supported by science. So, why does this duo work so well? The secret lies in the powerful synergy between these two ingredients. Both are rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps relax tense, overworked muscles, preventing you from tossing and turning. They are also natural sources of tryptophan, an amino acid that your body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, essential hormones that regulate your mood and sleep-wake cycle. Additionally, bananas provide an extra benefit. They contain melatonin directly, signaling to your brain that it's time to wind down for the night. The recipe. Now that you know why it works, here's the simple recipe to make it. 1 ripe banana, frozen is best for a creamy texture. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon of almond butter. For a little extra flavor or sweetness, you can add a dash of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, a half cup of ice if your banana isn't frozen. Just blend all your ingredients together. Blend for 30 to 45 seconds until it is smooth and creamy. That's it, your natural ticket to dreamland is ready in under 2 minutes. Pro tips for the perfect bedtime drink. To maximize the benefits of your sleep smoothie, consider these pro tips. First, using a frozen banana is a game changer. It creates an incredibly thick and creamy texture, much like a milkshake, without the need for ice that can dilute the flavor. For an added nutritional boost, include a tablespoon of flax seeds or whole oats. Both of these ingredients contain tryptophan, which can help promote a more restful sleep. If you have a nut allergy, no worries. Just replace the almond milk and almond butter with oat milk and sunflower seed butter. Most importantly, timing is key. For optimal results, drink your smoothie about 1 to 2 hours before you plan to sleep. This allows your body enough time to digest and absorb the sleep-promoting nutrients, so they can take effect just when you need them. So there you have it, a simple, delicious, and all-natural way to end your nightly struggle with sleep. Just blend all your ingredients together. When you do, come back and drop a comment to let me know how it went. I would love to hear about your results. To further improve your sleep, also check out these 7 science-backed tricks to fall asleep faster. See you and stay healthy.